probably biking.
Okay, so where are we shooting this thing?
Over there, that way. There's an old warehouse. One we found the map. Is it WSM? I don't know, it's just beyond the tunnel over there. We have the extra lenses.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why is it so hot out here?
Midwest, dude.
It was like 100 earlier. Oh, you found your tape.
Yeah. It's like really melted.
Is that all we need? We have the cameras, this camera, and the tripod. Yeah, how far is the walk?
It's not bad.
And it was down south, right? South?
I think so. I think so.
Is this thing still on manual?
Should be.
And we're back.
Is that like anyone's gonna watch this?
And we're back in focus. Nope, we were in focus. There we go.
Filming a scary movie. We're filming a scary movie. Oh, oh wait, Connor. Here, take this. Give it back. All right.
What's the way where we're going?
South.
South.
I don't know directions. Do you?
Oh, I know the North Star.
Oh, it's this way.
That way?
Ooh, that would be a good shot. Here, shine it down here. Yeah. Oh, out of focus. Oh, there we go.
That looks ominous.
What is that?
Looks like one of them candle bags.
Yeah.
You know, they light them up for their dead ancestors or whatever.
Wasn't really moving though.
It's going slow, that's why I thought it was a candle bag. Is that what they're called?
What?
The candle
bags
things.
that they light with like the fires and then they light them up in the sky?
No?
Wait.
Oh, look, planes up there.
What?
There's planes up there.
Is it a plane?
What?
Is it a plane?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
What the fuck else would it be?
It's in the sky and it has lights. We're not in Phoenix.
Wish we were in Phoenix.
What?
Wish we were in Phoenix. That'd be cool.
Oh no, you don't. You were complaining about being 100 earlier.
Oh, that's pretty neat. The lights just shut off.
Huh.
Scary movie.
They're probably motion activated.
What turned them on to begin with?
Motion.
Well, duh.
Probably a deer or something. A lot of deer out here in not Phoenix.
Is that too blown out? We need to like lower the...
Nah, no, that's good. I mean, I don't know how to use a camera, but I think it's good.
What?
Nothing.
And we let him be the cameraman.
Okay, well, if I'm so bad, here. You have a go. It's getting heavy.
You wanna swap?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, it's hot.
Not that bad. Yeah, we're not in Phoenix.
Bad enough. Oh, that's creepy. Is our lens?
Check it out. No balls.
Yeah, do it.
No balls.
What?
Who is that?
It's me, bitch.
No. Who's that?
What?
Oh.
It's a sign, dummy.
One of the lights in Phoenix. I'm serious. Who is that?
What?
Dude, I know we're filming a scary movie and everything. You don't have to get so in character.
There is nothing, dude.
What the hell is that?
What, the light? Oh, that's kind of creepy. Howdy. Howdy.
I love just the dark at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah. It's just pitch black.
What? I just dropped it. Pull up.
What? What? The fuck is that? The bikers leave that? Might have dropped their backpack.
This is some scary.
Dude, this wind. That's not a backpack. It is a typewriter. Why the fuck is there a typewriter?
That is not my first question.
Well, true.
Get a load of this. Do not leave the tunnel. Operator's orders. Bunch of names. Okay, I'm just concerned about.
Yeah, did we just pass someone?
Somebody.
Okay, sorry. Recording limit, we're back.
I'm going out there.
I just want to consider. Why? I saw somebody fall. Oh my.
Go, dude, it's a sign.
I know the sign's there. I can see the sign.
It's a sign. No one was following us.
This we were. Bro,
Here we see
you're scared.
the two brothers. No,
You talking to Doobie over there?
no.
No, you're too scared to go out, so I'll go out for him.
Okay, hang on. Hey, dude. I want to get a couple shots just before you do that, and then we can record you getting kidnapped or whatever. This looks cool.
It's just some guys making a YouTube video or something.
Okay, well, capitalism will profit off of their video.
Staring into the
That's hard to focus. Not leave the tunnel operator's orders.
Hey,
Kind of fucking name is Sutter.
Hey, guys.
Sutter Kane. Dwayne Perry.
There's no one out here at all.
Who put the typewriter?
Just somebody that probably a YouTuber trying to scare some kids on a video. Oh, God. Oh, look. Oh, I'm outside the tunnel. Oh, no. It's going to get me.